Hello, I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you what you are going to get inside Lumion Tutorial Masterclass. When your payment is successful and I have given you access, you are going to be given a password and a username with which you can log into this student area. And the course is divided into two. We have the rendering part, which is this part you are seeing. You can see all you need to know about how to get started with Lumion. You are also going to learn how you can download these videos so that you don't always use your data to watch these videos. Inside this course, I'll be taking you how you can download these videos on your computer so that you watch it at your leisure time. And you will see on the two the fastest way to start a new project so that you can know how to approach your project. Then you are going to learn how to apply materials the best way. You are going to learn in part 2, you are going to learn how to apply materials again, and you are going to learn my own fastest way of placing lights in Lumion. If you don't know how to place lights in Lumion, you are going to find it very difficult and it will take a lot of your time. But I have my own shortcut of doing it, and I'm going to show you my own way. And here you are going to see how you can export models from Revit to 3ds Max. In case you are using 3ds Max and you export it to Lumion. But if you are using Revit, then in the 7 you are going to learn how to export directly from Revit to Lumion, and this method will also give you an advantage of being able to modify your 3D in Revit, and it will be updated live in Lumion. In case there is any change, maybe you have done a 3D and a client demands for some changes. By the time you go and make the changes in Revit, with this method I'm going to show you, it will be updated live. As you are making the changes in Revit, the update is reflecting immediately in the Lumion, and that is what this method is going to show you. It make your work faster and effective so that you don't waste time trying to export it all over again. Okay, then on the 8th you are going to learn how to create render setting. For instance, you want to copy one render setting from one photo view to another photo view. This method will show you how to do that. Then this particular one will show you how you can use my own rendering setting and get the same quality of rendering that I have. With this method, you can basically pick my brain and reproduce the exact thing I am doing, the exact quality of my rendering. You produce it, and that is what my students are using. And on this particular one, you are going to see here you are going to upload my rendering setting, but here you are going to reproduce it yourself following my step. And on the 11, you are going to see how to produce post-render production in Photoshop. After you have finished your rendering, how you can add some effects in Photoshop. I'm going to show you that in this lesson. Then you are also going to learn how to load cars, beautiful cars and modern cars in Lumion into your project. And the last part of this course is 3D animation and walkthrough. Here you are going to learn everything you need to know about animation, how to produce walkthrough and be able to win that contract. These days, what is moving in the real estate industry now is 3D animation and walkthrough. And that is exactly what I'm going to show you here, because some clients, especially big clients, will want to see every part of the building. They want to see every part in a form of video, and this is what I'm going to teach you in this section. And that is not the end. I am also going to be giving you support. I have a WhatsApp group. You can see this is our WhatsApp group. The moment you have enrolled in the course, you will be added into our WhatsApp group and our Telegram group, where you will enjoy my close mentoring. Here you are going to enjoy my close mentoring. You can see these are some of my students that are asking different kinds of questions, and I am responding to them. And this is how we do it here. You'll be added into this group where you can be given updates and support. All right, thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you in the student area. Bye.